this video, I wanted to give my hands-on of the Moment Slim case. While a great case, its main selling point is its ability to support their lenses for iPhones. Other cases on the market, and there are many, will deliver the same level of drop protection and style points that this case provides. So this won't stand out among the crowd if you're looking for just a case. When you get the case, it comes looking like many other cases, a slim plastic rubber design with precision cutout and buttons that require the perfect amount of pressure to click, and some unique style detailing that helps make the case more grippable when taking photos. The one here is their green model, but it's also available in an assortment of colours. The same case is also available in MagSafe and non-MagSafe compatible ranges, but as mentioned, the real use comes with its support for lenses. And this comes in the form of a clip-on attachment. Simply pop the existing black trim from the case and pop the black lens attachment module into the case. That's it. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. And you're ready to snap on your lenses and start being creative.